Hey guys, today we'll be learning factoring conjugate pairs. This is a very easy lesson. If you notice, usually we're given trinomial. There's 3 terms, but in this one there's only 2. The x term is missing, but it's okay because if you have the situation where you have all perfect squares, so if you look at x squared is a perfect square because something times itself equals x squared, all right? And 4 something times something, that's the same number, will give you 4. And then you have a subtraction sign right in the middle, okay? So it's very easy. All right, so this is a conjugate pair scenario. So if I have a minus sign, these are perfect squares. So what makes x squared is just simply x and x. And then this side, what makes 4 is 2 and 2. So your answer is just simply x plus 2 x minus 2, okay? So you're always going to have a plus answer, you're going to have a minus answer. So again, it's x plus 2 and then x minus 2, okay? Let's do another example. All right, very easy. Again, all of these are perfect squares. You have a minus sign in between. That makes x and x, all right? So if I have my parentheses, if I want to do it beforehand, I can. And you know it's going to be a plus minus. And x goes here, and the x goes here, because I have x and x. The 16, what makes 16? 4 and 4. Okay, so 4 and 4. And that's it. Very simple lesson. Let's try a little more difficult problem. Let me clear this out. Okay, so again, 25 is a perfect square, x squared is a perfect square, 81 is a perfect square, and you have a minus sign here. If this was a plus sign, you can't do it, but since it's a minus, you can. So let's do the left side first. What times what is 25? It's 5 times 5. All right, so if you even want to start your parentheses, you can. Right, here's my parentheses, this is my plus, here's my minus, and then what makes x squared is x times x. All right, so the left side is going to be 5x, okay, and the 81 is really easy. 9 times 9, 9 times 9, so it's 5x plus 9, 5x minus 9. All right, that's all you're doing today. All right, if you want to see one more example, let's see, more than one variable. Okay, so again, 100 is a perfect square, x to the 4th is a perfect square, 36, and y to the 2nd. Okay, so again, here's my minus sign. Let's do I know I'm going to have plus, and I'm going to have a minus. Okay, so 100 is easy, that's 10 times 10. X to the 4th. How do you make x to the 4th? That's the same, it's going to be x squared, all right? Because x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. You got to add the exponents, right? If that said x to the 6th, it would break up into x to the 3, x to the 3, okay? So make sure you remember that. So again, the left side is going to be, it's going to be 10x squared, 10x squared, 10x squared. Okay, and you know what? Let me make this a different number. Let's make this into a 6. Okay. Okay, now the 36, what makes 36 is 6 times 6, 6 times 6. Okay, and then what makes y to the 6? It's easy, it's just y3, y3. Because when I multiply exponents, I have to add them. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So again, the right side answer is going to be 6y3, 6y3. Okay. If you need help, please come to the chat room and I'll help you guys out. All right. Bye, guys.